How to find followers and public content settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find followers and public content settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now click settings and then just go down until you find this one, followers and public content. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage follower and public content settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.